Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here at the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Well, we had Snowmageddon. We ended up with about 13 inches of snow last night, and this morning it's still coming down. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to fire up the John Deere 2020. I haven't started this tractor in about a month or so, so this is going to be a cold start. We did winterize it whenever we put it in here. Well, I use this for bush hogging. I use it for moving stuff around the farm. Don't use it too often in the winter around here. Stay bill, disconnected the battery, all that good thing. So guys, let's check and see if this thing will start up this morning. Keep your fingers crossed. Now, I am pretty adamant about always maintaining your equipment, make sure everything starts when it's supposed to. If you're not running it, start it every month, at least once a month. Let it run 10-15 minutes, let the fluids get cycled through. So we're gonna choke it and we're gonna see what we got. Gotta love it. So I stepped outside of the barn for a second. I'm going to let that run and warm up, let all the fluids get warm and going. That actually started easier than I anticipated, guys. I brought the battery charger out just in case I might need it, but thank God I didn't. So I'm going to give this about 10 minutes to warm up, and then I'm going to get it out and I'm going to do some snow removal. We live out here in the sticks. County don't get to us for a few days. We got another 1 to 3 inches coming this afternoon. I think it's supposed to be like 10 or 15 below zero tomorrow morning. So I want to get the snow removed before it gets hard packed. Make it a lot easier. So guys, maintain your equipment. When things like this happen, you're really going to be happy that you did. So we took about 15 minutes. We went and plowed the snow. We let our tractor warm up 10-15 minutes before we started, so it's been running for about 30 minutes total. Doesn't take very long. Get the oil lubricating the engine, get all the fluids moving and whatnot. I don't run the hydraulics right away. I try to ease into them, kick on the PTO for a few minutes, let everything get lubricated and let it go, guys. So this is the reason why we preach maintaining your equipment. 10 degree below zero wind chill out here right now. 13 inches of snow. I don't want to be out there shoveling 13 inches of snow by hand. I'd rather use a piece of equipment. That's why we come out every 4 or 5 weeks, start all of our equipment, tractors, lawnmowers, anything that's run on gas. We disconnect our batteries when we're done. Everything has a stay bill or seafoam or whatever you guys want to use in it, just to keep the gas from gumming up. Folks, it really only does take a few minutes to maintain your equipment, and then it's there for you when you need it. So put in a little bit of effort, and you'll be happy that you did. So I'm going to go inside and get warm. Y'all stay safe.